Here's a scenario where it is a much more extreme later on version of what started out as straight teeth with a bad bite that oftentimes goes unrecognized and then develops into a severe bite problem as an adult. In this situation, you can see that we have short teeth, they're broken down, and now we have the excess gums that are showing everywhere, and we can't even see our bottom teeth. So as we've had this bad bite, even though we have straight teeth, because it overlaps so much, as we grind our teeth, we accelerate the amount of damage, the amount of pressure on those front teeth, and it just melts them away. Over time, they just get shorter and shorter, and our deep bite gets worse and worse. When we look from the side, you can't even see the bottom teeth. And this is obviously a problem that requires intervention. All of these teeth are now so severely broken down from the grinding and the wear of them that they're all going to actually require crowns or veneers in the front where we've lost such a significant amount of enamel. So going back to the smile photo, you can see again our goals: lift the front teeth up, remove some of the gingival or gum display, and then of course lengthen the teeth and restore all of the edges that are broken down. We were able to accomplish all of our goals, and you can see the beautiful restorations that our dentist helped us with in restoring those teeth back to a great healthy bite.